choosing the right product is crucial nowadays. So that's the reason we made this video. Hope this will help you, and let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're considering Sky Blue Credit for credit repair, here's my honest experience after using it for about 6 months. Overall, Sky Blue Credit has been a fairly simple and straightforward credit repair service. I signed up because I wanted help cleaning up my credit report without having to manage every detail myself, and the setup process was quick and easy. One of the biggest advantages is the simplicity of their system. They focus on a more streamlined approach to credit repair, handling dispute letters and communication with credit bureaus on your behalf. It feels less overwhelming compared to some larger, more complicated services. Another positive is the pricing structure. Compared to some competitors, it tends to be more transparent and easier to understand, which makes it feel more accessible if you're just starting your credit repair journey. The dashboard is also easy to follow, so you can track what's being disputed and see updates over time. However, there are some important downsides you should pay attention to. The biggest one is that, like all credit repair services, results are not guaranteed. If the negative items on your report are accurate, they are unlikely to be removed just through disputes. Another thing to consider is that while the service is simpler, it may also feel less advanced or feature-rich compared to more expensive competitors. If you want very detailed tools or deep credit analysis, it might feel a bit basic. Also, credit repair is still a slow process. Even with help, you should expect it to take several months before you see meaningful changes, and you need to be patient throughout. After 6 months of use, my overall experience with Sky Blue Credit has been positive. It's a simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly credit repair service. But it's not a quick fix, and results will always depend on your individual credit situation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helped you decide whether Sky Blue Credit is the right credit repair service for you.